Okay, the last one got cut off, so I wanted to move this as a unit. So I needed to select each object inside here while holding the Shift key. So I'm going to click the first circle, second circle, third, fourth circle, and the background. And then now I can move the whole thing. And I'm going to get this out of the way. I'm going to scale it down so it's the same size as the one next to it. And when you see that line turns red, nope, that's not the same size as that. I'm going to put them right next to each other so I can actually make them the same size. Using the Shift key, there we go. Now I'm going to move it over just to give some space. Okay, so now there are other things that you can do with circles. Let's put down another shape to work on, not a text box, a shape. And I'm going to work with a rectangle here and turn it into a square by holding the Shift key. I'm going to click and drag it down. This way I'm starting with the exact same size that I want to have in the end. And let's go with a little bit darker. And so with this one, maybe we can put some other squares inside of it. And let's go shapes, bring the square here, and start at the corner, hold the Shift key. And when you get right to the center, you see that it lets you know, hey, you made it to the middle. And I'm going to hold the Control key and I'm going to duplicate this, move it over. Oh wait, I'm going to undo that. I want to put a circle inside this one. So I'm going to go for this circle again. I'm going to start it in the corner. I'm going to hold the Shift key and drag it down so I have a circle. There we go. And I'm going to fill this circle with a different value. And then I'm going to hold the Shift key and click the square that's behind it because I want to duplicate both of those. And of course I go back to the Control key to duplicate both of those and click and drag. And as soon as you let go, it will show you all four circles. I'm going to make the circles on some of these. Nope, I don't want the square to be included. I'm going to undo that one. I'm going to just select the circle and I'm going to make the line width 8 and build those up a little bit. You could change the color of the line on some of them. I keep clicking the wrong thing. There we go. Border 8 pixels. And you can also go back in and change the fill color of the circles. So some of them are much lighter than others, some of them are much darker than others. And maybe even throw in a different color. And so now I've got another shape that I can duplicate into a pattern. All right, for the last one, I'm going to see if I can do it quickly here. I'm going to make a shape that's a rectangle this time, and I'm going to put some triangle shapes in it. And so I'm going to grab the shape tool and use this wide triangle. And this time I'm not using the Shift key. Wait, that's not the triangle I want. Undo. Grab the other triangle. There we go. And that's facing the wrong way. So I've got to click it, rotate it, put it in my rectangle, and I'm going to drag it so it's shorter. There we go. And then now I'm going to duplicate it, hold the Control key,